A serene spring morning with birds chirping, flowers blooming. As the new year approaches, nature reminds us of fresh beginnings. Hi, I'm Angel, and today, I'm using the essence of spring. The gentle rustle of bamboo, the sweet melody of birds, and the vibrant bloom of flowers to create something truly unique. Using a laser engraver, I'll etch delicate designs onto bamboo. A symbol of resilience and strength, bamboo forms the heart of our project, adding a natural elegance that connects us to the earth and inspires a fresh start. The handmade notebook is taking shape. Right now, I'm fastening the buttons onto the bamboo sheets. Bringing the pieces together with care and precision. A notebook isn't just a tool, it's a companion for your thoughts, a canvas for your imagination, and a celebration of nature's artistry. Each page holds the potential for creativity, inspiration, and new beginnings. For the first page, I'll add a touch of spring with a hand-painted design. Blooming flowers, a celebration of renewal and hope. Spring reminds us that every new year is a chance for fresh starts and new possibilities. Watercolor has a magic of its own. A quiet, emotional beauty that touches the heart. Its transparency creates layers of light, almost like looking through a delicate veil. Each stroke feels weightless, as if carried by the breeze, bringing a sense of peace and clarity. The flowing movement of the pigment mirrors the rhythm of life itself, free, effortless, and full of grace. It's like watching a stream wind its way through a quiet forest. write a special quote for inspiration. Finally, it all comes together. The bamboo cover and backover. The painted first page with the quote and the blank pages inside. Bound together to create a notebook that's both functional and beautiful. It's a process of mindfulness and care. A handmade notebook isn't just a tool. It's a companion for your thoughts, a canvas for your imagination, and a celebration of nature's artistry. This year, let's celebrate the art of writing by hand. We'll capture our thoughts, dreams, and plans on pages inspired by the beauty of nature. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your creations with us.